What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jorge, and of course you guys know this is my 2019 Camaro SS, and today we're going to be removing this rear diffuser and replacing it with one that'll match our wing so much better. Alright guys, so if you guys watched my last video, y'all know that I installed this ZL1 replica style gloss black wing, and I did that because I actually had already ordered a gloss black rear diffuser, which I think is going to definitely offset and make this look super nice. Now this is the diffuser here that I got, and it is the American Authority rear diffuser, and it comes with the extensions on the side that kind of roll up onto this top part. And so I ordered this one in gloss black, as you can see, and I also added the fins for the middle section here. So I can't wait to put this on the car. And now so the first thing we've got to do is, what I'll be doing is probably trying to remove the diffuser without removing the rear bumper. Apparently it can be done. So there's a few screws, like if you've seen my video on the putting these reflector lights, you'll know there's 4 screws on either end and then 2 right here in the middle, and I believe that's what holds this diffuser screw wise, and the rest is just clips, so you got to just kind of start popping off the clips. So we're going to remove the diffuser, remove the reflector lights, put them onto this one, and then put it all back together. So like I said, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side, and then 2 right here in the middle, and those are going to be 7mm screws. So you're just going to remove those, remove the middle on each side, and then you just start pulling back on the tabs. Alright guys, so actually I've already removed all 4, and you actually have to remove this T15 torque spit also, so that'll completely let this slide out. So now it's just a matter of kind of pulling on the tabs and trying to remove this diffuser. Alright guys, man, this diffuser was so much harder than I thought to take off. As you guys can see, I had to remove the bumper, and that is because these now have this little piece here, and it is bolted into one of the clips on this that goes through the bumper diffuser. So it's removed, and now I've got to remove my old reflectors, put them on the new one, and then try to install the reflector again. I did have to disconnect everything. I did have to pull 2 of these metal clips out. One goes here and the other one goes over here, and that is why it's very difficult to kind of just pop this thing off. But yeah, so now it's just a matter of putting the other one back on, sliding these metal clips back in. See, there's a missing metal clip here that you're gonna need to kind of put in, and we should be good to go. So I'm gonna remove the reflectors from this one, put them in the other one, and then try to do the whole reverse. Alright guys, so I've put the diffuser back on, and there's obviously some clips here that you're supposed to put these little metal things on this side, and because you have this bolt here, I figured this isn't going to go anywhere once that bolt is in, so I didn't remove those, but I did put back these 2 metal clips, and obviously you're supposed to have a metal clip here and on the opposite end the same, but the diffuser is not exact OEM fitment, so it doesn't reach out here, or it might be hitting, and I wasn't going to bother to try to get all that out, considering that this is being held on by this bolt. So the diffuser's back on. It was a struggle, especially when you get here to the side, because this one does have that gloss black extension out to the side. It is a lot difficult to try to get in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips all at once. It does take a little bit of finagling, but you can get it done. And so now I'm just gonna plug everything back in and put this back together, see how it looks. Alright guys, so there it is, and man, does that look good. It took a little finagling and trying to get it to work and fit and get the clips in, especially because of this you know, extension here that goes to the side, but it is perfect. A little dirty, gotta wipe it off from the front right here, but it looks great, guys. I mean, look at that. I don't know if the gloss will stand out, but it's a lot more aggressive and definitely goes with the gloss black wing. What do you guys think? I think it looks good. It does take a little bit finagling and all that good stuff, but I think it's well worth it, guys. If you got a 2019 or 2016, any 6th gen Camaro, this American Authority rear diffuser is really great. Now, I mean, it does have a little like fitment issues. I mean, like right here you can kind of see a little gap, but I mean, I'm not too worried about that. I mean, it's black and white. It doesn't stand out as much, I guess. You can see the same thing on this side a little bit, but as far as everything else, I mean, all the bolts and clips line in, and it's just a lot harder because of that extra extension piece, but it works nonetheless. And even on the 2019's new rear bumper, this diffuser works. So if you guys are thinking of getting one, definitely recommend it. Now I actually am gonna try to get this piece, which is the optional diffuser that you can get from American Authority, and that actually just kind of goes right here like this, and I think that's going to give it an even more aggressive look. What do you guys think? That looks really good, doesn't it? This bolts up with the same 2 bolts in the middle, and then I believe it comes with a roll of 3M tape, which I'm going to put across these 3 sections, which will fill in and touch all this part up right here. So let me go ahead and put that on and show you guys what that looks like. Oh my god, there we go, guys. Check it out. This little extra diffuser piece definitely makes it look more aggressive. Fitment is not all that. I wish there was some way to do like clips in the backside, but you just put double-sided tape on this back end, and then you do the same 2 screws in the bottom. It kind of just needs to be pushed and pressed in for a little while, but I think it looks great, guys. What do you guys think? Check out the new back end of the Camaro. I think that looks great, guys. Very aggressive, and the gloss black matches with my gloss wing. So very excited, very happy for the turnout and the way that it came out. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, hit the notification bell, subscribe, and do all that stuff, because I've got a lot of stuff coming for this car. We're about to do the oil change, and that is going to be the moment we turn this thing back on and take it to the track for the first time and see what kind of numbers we can get on the dyno. So if you haven't already, subscribe, hit that like button, and keep up to date with my videos and what I do next with this car. Alright guys, check this out. We've got the American Authority ZL1 rear stylish bumper with their insert piece right in the middle, which gives it that much more aggressive look. Without that piece, it was kind of plain in the middle. This gives it that very aggressive diffuser fins kind of look. I think it looks great. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments down below. This is definitely one of the more difficult installs I've done to date on this car, but it's definitely worth it. If you guys want to, I'll have the link down in the description below for the American Authority. Fitment wise, it's not bad actually. There is a little bit of gap right around this corner here, but I mean, it's very, very not hidden. I mean, you can't really notice it. Other than that, everything else fit pretty well. Nothing bad I could say about it, guys. It came in really quickly, shipped out very quickly, and I think it looks great. It definitely flows with the ZL1 style gloss black wing, and it will definitely flow with the side skirts that I have coming in, since it does have the little black gloss black coming up to the top on the side of the car. So I'm excited. I can't wait to put the rest of the mods that I have coming on this car, and I hope you guys are too. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe, guys, because I'm going to be doing a lot more stuff to this car, and hopefully you guys can come along and see just how well we do with this car. I've got a few more visual stuff to do, and then doing the oil change, and then we get to finally go to the track and give everybody what I'm sure a lot of people have been wanting or looking forward to on this channel, and that is running this Camaro SS on the track and against some of its competition. So with that, guys, this is over, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.